So then, how does the new product offering of Axis fit into this strategy profile that you have mentioned?
So, see, they were now, I think, income plus arbitrage fund of fund category is already very popular. It's the buzz among investors because over the last 12 months, the category has actually gained a lot of traction. And if we look across at the industry, it was hardly below 1,000 crores in Jan 2025. And today, the EM of this category put together at the industry level is upwards of 21,000 odd crores. From taxation perspective, we got clarity in last year's taxation bill which gave us some more insights that if you blend a category where you own less than 65% of debt and you have 35% of non-debt assets, it can be arbitrage. If you blend a portfolio or make a fund of these categories, it actually, and your investment horizon is more than 2 years, your tax efficiency kicks in. You are actually taxed at a rate of 12.5% for an investment horizon of more than 2 years. So this category has started getting a lot of traction. We already launched one fund, repositioned one of our active strategies into this fund. We have now come up with the second category fund in this category, which is a passive Axis income plus arbitrage fund of fund category. What is this fund all about? The fund, if you'll ask me, it will invest the 65% of its debt portion into index funds, ETFs, and target maturity funds. Why so? Why so? Because we believe that target maturity funds are generally hold to maturity products, which are well suited. They are agnostic of market cycles because somewhere down the line, if your investor holds on for the duration of the target maturity fund, generally he replicates the
Reasonable predictability.
there's reasonable predictability in the returns, and the returns would be very much similar to the index returns. Second, the thing is, from a perspective on tax of efficiency, once you blend the portfolio and you hold a investment for 2 years, it actually comes out to be a good tax optimal solution with significant low volatility. And the portfolio is completely in India. Most of the target maturity funds or index funds are largely investing into AAA corporates and sovereign bonds. So you are having a quality conscious, quality bias, high quality bias portfolio, a tax efficient solution, as well as good return predictability on such kind of index portfolio.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.